My friend needed a key because their kid like dunks their key in water or something. I guess it doesn't work unless you touch it to the start button. Oh, there's a dog in here. Hello. Hello. She didn't tell me that. That's fine. Uh-oh, I lost that. Gotta find it. You want to be on YouTube? Okay. Got our key code right there. I know that it starts with 4, so we just look over here for 4. My code and 0. Perfect. All right, let's get this fob programmed. Toyota vehicle, Prius, 2011 keyless. Push condition on. Oh, so I think that's on. I don't know. Okay. Gonna do add keyless. Program key. Didn't beep. They have not been beeping lately on me for some reason. New one. Success. It's saying success, but I just don't know why. I don't think it's working. Oh, now it's on. Okay. Add keyless. Programmed. Okay. Saying success. Let's see. Does this new one work? I don't know. Ah, it does work. Look at that. A new YouTube star?
Get that?
Yeah, the buttons,
It
yeah.
works, it works, it works. Let's see.
Yeah.
Now, pull up.
Thanks.
Is it fixed?
Oh, I need that. Hey, thanks. Alright, where's that little plastic thing? Where'd it go?
Oh my god.
Oh, here it is. Alright.
Oh my god.
Cool?
Oh.
Have
Thank
fun.
you so much. It took me so long to get over. I couldn't get the car started.
Yeah. Oh, really?
I was pressing it over and over and over.
Well, don't let your daughter have that key.